Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial of the React Native, and in this tutorial we will see how to provide the multi-language support to our application, or this is basically also known as a language localization, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So over here, if I just click on this change language, this is changing the language from English to French and French to English. And if I want to change to Hindi, I'll click on this and it will change to Hindi. Okay. So now how to provide this support. So for this purpose, I will be making use of where are these packages? Okay, I18 next. So these are the number of the packages which are to install, and also this. I'm using the React Native localize to detect the language of your device. So right now, what am I doing over here? So I have declared this interface for this translation. So as can be seen, I have like a different type of translation. First is English, and I have created a key value pairs, and value pairs are basically the objects over here. So first is English, and then I'm having this translation object over here, which there's a key called welcome, and welcome to the app, hello, and this is the value is hello, and change language is the key, and the value is change language. Okay, and here when it comes to the welcome, it is मेरे ऐप में आपका स्वागत है. When it comes to hello, namaste, and change language भाषा बदलो. Okay, and this is French, which I don't know. Okay, you can use the Google Translator to translate like this. If this is the key, what will be this value, and if this is the key, what will be this value, and if this is the key, what will be this value. Okay, so first of all, you have to make this kind of this key value pair kind of object, and you have to store it inside of this i18n.ts file. Okay, and I'm using the localhost uh, uh, rn localhost.get localize function I'm calling to detect the language of your device. Okay, and over here fallback language is en. So en basically is it representing this en. Okay, English. Where was I? Okay, so this is the fallback language. So over here I am selecting the language tag. Okay, if I am saying localize.language is greater than 0, then I am doing the localize the first zeroth index I'm assigning, otherwise by default it will be English. Okay, so this is basically this logic where I'm just changing these languages between the English and the French, and then I'm having these options. Okay, so I'm having these resources over here. I'll provide this object as a resource. Then my language basically will be so over here, when it comes to this language, I can directly assign the language as English over here, or Hindi, or whatever that is. But that will be like a default language. But I want to assign the language that I'm selecting from here. Okay, so over here, what it is doing, it is just circulating round and round. And if if that is not happening, it is assigning the fallback language, that is the English. Okay, and interpolation and escape value false you have to give, and then i18n dot use, then you have to pass this init react i18 next, which I have declared imported from this react i18 next over here, and dot init, and inside of this init you have to provide these initial options. These are the initial options which I will be providing over here, which I have initialized. Okay, so this is the declaration part, and now when it comes to our app, so inside of our app I have this text. Okay, so now I want to change this text whenever I'm changing the language. So inside of this t we have to declare that. Okay, so inside of this t I have to put these keywords which are declared by me over here. So welcome, hello. So if you see this welcome, hello, change underscore language, so those are the here also. If you see this change underscore language, this same keys you have to use over here. Whichever you want to change when the language is changed, put those keys over here. Okay, so now as can be seen, if I just change this to Hindi, so this welcome over here, the key is welcome, but value over here is welcome to my app. Okay, so instead of this I am showing you all this text over here, it is saying welcome to my app. When I'll be switching to Hindi, it will show this particular text. Okay, this particular text, because the key is welcome and the value, and now I have changed to Hindi, so that's why this text will appear over here. So you have to remember whatever value you give to these particular keys, those values will change. Right now, if you just see in English, French, and Hindi, these keys are same. These keys are same, but the values are changing. This hello is also same over here. Okay, change underscore language is also same on all these three places, but value is differing. So now you have to use the T and I18 next. So T is basically the function where you will be passing those keys, and where have I used this I18? I18 dot change language to change the language whichever you want, and this change languages function, inbuilt function of the use translate. Use translate is I am importing from the React hyphen I18 next. Okay, so basically this is how you have to implement the multi-language support for your app with the help of the I18. And I have also used this I18 previously, but for the web application or for the app applications. For mobile applications, you can implement it this way, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more such tutorials, please consider subscribing, because in the future also I'll be posting more such videos. Thanks for watching.